Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the English version of the 1688 application. So for most people that are shopping on 1688, they are not Chinese indigenes, or they are not Chinese speakers, or most don't know how to read in Chinese. Okay, so it makes navigating the app difficult. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the app in pure English version, so you don't have to deal with the translation problem and having to find out the product description of what you're buying, and having to just make sure you're ordering the right thing, and going through the right process. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the English version of 1688 in this video. Okay, so in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to be launching the mini programs of 1688 through Alipay. Okay, now if you have watched my previous video on how to create a 1688 account, I emphasized on the fact that while creating your 1688 account, you should create it with Alipay. Okay, so for those of you that watched that video and created your 1688 account with your Alipay, okay, so just open your Alipay account. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch your Alipay application. After launching your Alipay application, you're going to navigate to the account section. Now when you get to the account section, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on settings, and when you click on settings, you're going to click on general. Okay, so when you click on general in the settings menu, what you're going to do is you're going to look for the option that says translation tool. Now you're going to make sure you turn on translation tool, and you're going to be setting the language to English. Okay, now if you're a French speaker, if you're an Arab speaker, a Portuguese, a Spanish speaker, or any other language that is not English language that is available in these options, you can click on that language and you'll be able to use 1688 in your language. But in the case of this video, I am using English language as a reference. Okay, so we're going to be selecting English language. Now after selecting English language and turning on the translation tool, what you're going to do now is you're going to go back to your Alipay homepage. Okay, you're going to navigate back to your Alipay homepage. Now when you get to the home page, what you're going to do is you're going to click on more. Okay, you're going to look for more in the home page section, and you're going to click on that. And after clicking on that, you're going to click on the search bar. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to search for 1688. Okay, now that you search for 1688, as you can see, the very first option there, it says 1688. You can see the 1688 logo there, and at the front it says brand. You're going to click on that, and when you click on that, you're going to see that it is going to direct you to the 1688 mini program. What the mini program is just simply 1688, okay, but minimized. There are some features of 1688 that you can use, but the majority of the features you can use them. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on the 1688 application, and it is just automatically going to translate the page. Okay, it is going to translate the entire menu for you. As you can see, my entire menu is translated, and now you can shop your products in English language, check product descriptions, check the details of a product, order a product, just know the prices of the product. Everything you're buying, you can now see it in English language. So this is better than using this 1688 application, where you have to rely on external translation tools, or you have to just rely on pure instincts to be able to buy your product. It is better to just use the web version of 1688. And if you're wondering, because when you open 1688 on these mini programs, you can't see the message bar. On the 1688 application, you can see the message bar directly, but here on the mini program, you can't see the message bar directly. So if you want to message the merchant, what you're going to have to do is you're going to click on the products that you want to buy, and you're going to see the message button. You're going to see the message button just where it usually is when you click on the 1688 application. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to be able to message the merchant from there. Okay, that is the only place you're going to be able to see the message button and message the merchant. Apart from that, you can't see the message menu on its own in the home page. So, and if you want to switch to another language, so let us assume you prefer English language or any other language. Okay, you can just easily hold on to the translate bar at the wherever it is on your screen. Okay, just hold on the translate bar, and you click on it, and it is going to direct you back to the translation tool. When it directs you there, you're just going to select the other language that you want. So in this case, I selected the Arab language, and as you can see, it translated my entire screen to Arabic. okay, and when I selected other languages, it also translated them. So this is how you know use 1688 application in English. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.